Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to make risoles. Risoles is a popular Indonesian snack originating from the 13th century. It has delicate savory flavor which makes risoles ideal for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Risoles is typically wrapped in pastry, rolled in breadcrumbs, then deep fried until golden brown in color. Usually it is filled with ingredients such as seafood, mincemeat, or vegetables. Sometimes it can be filled with sweet ingredients and served as a dessert. The name of the dish stems from the traditional Portuguese rissole. This tasty snack can be found throughout Indonesia, in numerous markets, bakeries, and on street stands. Hi guys, for the filling we have here the chicken, then the milk. This is fresh milk. Then we have the pepper. I have also here a teaspoon of flour. Of course we need oil. Then this is the carrots cube, corn kernels, stalk of celery. Then I have here the potatoes in cubes. And this is nutmeg. We have the onions chopped, garlic chopped. And we have the cheese. And of course the seasoning like the instant seasoning and the salt. Okay, let's make now the filling. Okay guys, so we already put the cooking oil. So the next process is to saute our onions and garlic. Next would be the chicken. Okay guys, so aside from chicken, you can also use ground beef or smoked beef. So at this point, I will now add the seasoning. Then we have here the pepper. Okay guys, so at this point I will now add the flour. So this will thicken our sauce. Then I will add about 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 to 3/4 cups of milk. So after adding the milk, I will sprinkle this pan with some nutmeg. So this is my first time to use this nutmeg. I don't know what is the taste of this nutmeg, but based on the recipe, I need to put some nutmeg. Okay. So at this point, I will put now the vegetables like the potatoes, carrots, corn, and the celery. So as you can see, this is reducing, so you can add more milk. So we will just let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. I will now add the cheese. Okay guys, so this is okay now. So we will transfer this in a plate, set aside, and we will prepare now our crepe or the wrapper. Okay, for the wrapper, I still need fresh milk. Then I have here 1 egg. Then this is the oil. So I will put some oil in the butter, then use oil in the pan for greasing. Then this is about 1.5 cups of flour and a half teaspoon of salt. So first I need to mix the flour and the salt. Then I will add slowly the fresh milk. Guys, so this is not yet the consistency, so we need to add more milk. So this is still too thick, so we need to add again milk. Okay, this should be the consistency of our butter. Then after this, I will add our egg. So just mix well. Okay, this is now ready and we will now make our crepe. So by the way, I forgot to put some oil in here. So we will add a tablespoon of oil. Then brush some oil to the pan. Okay guys, so before we're going to fry our risoles, we will coat first it with the egg and the breadcrumbs. Okay guys, so this is now my risoles and this is what's inside, and it smells good, and you can see there the corn, the potatoes, the chicken and the carrots. Okay, let's try this now.